flood warning for the Cuyahoga River at Old Portage from late tonight until further notice at 8 p.m. Monday. The stage was 8.2 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late tonight and continue to rise to near 9.2 feet by Tuesday morning. At 9.0 feet, flooding begins in low-lying areas near the river.
Crap.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Cuyahoga River at Independence from this evening until Tuesday morning at 8:30 p.m. Monday. The stage was 14.9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 16.8 feet by late tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by early Tuesday morning. At 17.0 feet, water reaches Murray and Plastic Roads in Valley View. Portions of Exchange Road, Wall Street, and Cloverleaf Road inundated.
Oh, triple header. Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Paynesville from late tonight until further notice at 8:30 p.m. Monday. The stage was 6.9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by early Tuesday morning and continue to rise to near 9.0 feet by Tuesday evening. At 8.5 feet, water reaches Vrooman Road. Lowland flooding occurs in the metro parks along the river.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Flood watch in effect until 7 a.m.